Hello everyone! Today's video is to show you how to connect the N15 camera to Wi-Fi and bind it to the app. The N15 camera uses the ICC app, which can be searched and downloaded in Google Play or App Store. First, we power on the camera. When it starts, please pay attention to its prompt voice. If it says
Connecting, please wait.
it means it needs to be reset.
Connector router successfully.
The reset method is to press and hold reset for 3 seconds after the camera is started. It will prompt
Restore factory settings. Please don't power off.
and then automatically restart. The reset button is next to the memory card slot.
System starting.
When it restarts, its
Wait to
prompt
be
voice will
configured.
change to
Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according to the instruction.
At this point, you can configure the network for it. Click Add and select Wi-Fi camera. Here, confirm the connected Wi-Fi SID and enter the Wi-Fi password. If the Wi-Fi SID cannot be obtained, it means that the location permission of the phone is not turned on and is not authorized to the app.
Waiting for connection.
Then the app
Please
will generate a
configure the
QR
network
code
according
and
to
let
the
the camera
instruction.
scan the QR code.
Connecting, please wait.
When you hear
Connector router successfully.
it means it was successful. At this point, you need to set a password for the camera. The password contains uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. You can set commonly used symbols to increase the difficulty of password cracking, but special symbols are not supported. After setting the password, you can view the camera. Thanks for watching.